Best health insurance for low-income families. Despite the importance of acquiring health insurance, several individuals do not have it, mainly because it can be quite expensive to purchase an insurance policy. Some people also have this notion that health insurance isn't important. However, this is a costly assumption in the long run. You should not let the current cost of health care insurance bring you down. There are some strategies that you can use to minimize cost of health insurance for individuals, and you need to keep a few things in mind. First and foremost, health insurance offers security for the policyholder and all beneficiaries that they will get coverage in case of emergency and medical situations in the future. It works by paying a premium on an agreed period of time on a monthly basis. You can enjoy these benefits by enjoying free medical checkup or consultation or hospitalization if needed. Of course, the type of medical and health services that you can avail of will vary depending on the extent of the coverage and the amount of the health insurance premium paid for by the policyholder. The simplest and most obvious strategy to use so that you can find cheap health insurance for individuals is to research and compare various providers. Each insurance company is unique in its services and the costs they offer clients. You can start by gathering health insurance quotes for individuals from various companies in your local area or through the internet by visiting each company's website. This is a more convenient way of getting an idea on the insurance plans and prices for each type of coverage as compared to physically gathering these information yourself. Thus, you can spend more time evaluating the specific terms of the policies for comparison. According to experts, researching and comparing health insurance can make the difference in buying insurance policies. This simple action can mean huge savings in the long run. Each provider utilizes a different set of factors and principles when calculating the insurance cost for each person, so it pays to look at each of them closely. In fact, the disparity for some companies can be as high as 50%, and you can even get better coverage. When comparing through health insurance quotes for individuals, make sure to look at your own health care needs as well. For instance, a physically able person will require a different type of insurance coverage from someone who has an existing medical condition that requires more medical attention. Another benefit to looking at health insurance based on your medical condition and needs is that you can ensure your own health and safety. Depending on the insurance coverage you have chosen, you may get medical services to ensure you get all the treatment you need for your particular condition. Without proper health insurance coverage, some people do not get to avail of these services because they simply cannot afford to. You can also take personal measures and steps to avail of cheap health insurance for individuals. This is when it pays off to do a research on insurance policies and factors that could cause the premium to go up. In a nutshell, the more risky you are and the higher the likelihood of suffering from certain medical conditions, then the higher the premium is charged on you for availing of a specific health insurance policy. One practical measure is to have regular medical checkups. This will help certain conditions to be diagnosed and treated early. It is cheaper to buy an insurance if you have managed your condition as opposed to a full-blown disease that require more complex medical procedures to treat. There are agencies dedicated in helping you find health insurance whether you have an existing medical condition or not. These companies are made up of professionals who know how to go around finding a low-cost insurance so you can get the type of insurance coverage you need at a budget that you can afford. You can therefore leverage such services because these professionals also know what are the factors that would cause an insurance policy's price to shoot up. Thus, they can recommend ways wherein you can lower the cost of your insurance so you can get the medical security you need without breaking your bank.